I'm here at one of our customers' homes this morning on a frigid 30-degree morning with Frank Hoy, one of our installation managers here in the Mechanicsburg area. And we're going to talk about our winter installation method. A lot of homeowners are worried about installation during the winter. Frank, tell me about our winter installation method.
It's super easy for our homeowners. A lot of these single units here, they're in and out a couple minutes. We also have some other things we can do. We have zip walls that we'll show you soon. And then we like to keep these doors closed in most applications. We can contain that just to a room. That way it's not filling cool air through the home.
So we go room by room, or we take out all the windows and then go back and put them all in?
Great question. So we typically go room through room. We'll start at the top. We'll work our way out of your home, one location at a time.
What about snow or rain during the winter? How does that affect us?
Snow or rain during install doesn't really hold us up too much. Obviously, there's a couple other precautions that we do take. But as far as exposure to your home, we get those ones out and put them right back in. That way there's really no water or rain coming into your home. Here we are right in front of us, a single unit here. As you can see, it's still a cool 67.8 degrees here. The amount of time that window's been out of the hole, maybe 3-4 minutes, and we're right back in, not letting a lot of that cold air into the house.
In less than an hour, all 5 windows are in and they're getting sealed from the outside now, and the temperature of the home barely changed. Frank, tell us about the training our certified master installers go through to get ready for a job like this today.
All of our installers are certified master installers. They have a pretty good process here. They all know their jobs. We have our outside guys and our inside guys, and it's a pretty fluid process. We're taking one out, and within a matter of minutes, we're putting that in just to make sure there's not a constant airflow. And as you guys can see, we're about an hour into it. We're already getting the outside buttoned up.
As we all see our energy bills rising,
don't let the winter weather scare you from renewing your old inefficient windows and doors.
And just like that, another winter installation is all done.